welcome to Origami with Josie, origami during coronavirus quarantine. And today we're going to fold a sea turtle. To start, I've chosen a square piece of teal paper. You can use any color you like. First we're going to fold a crease about halfway down, and we'll do this by folding the paper in half, lining up the corners, and then creasing from the center up to the top, and then leaving this part uncreased. Open the model back up again. Then we're going to fold this point to the center, and then the other point to the center. Now we're going to flip the model over. We're going to fold this edge to the center line. Repeat on the right side. And I'm going to pick the model up and look on the back and just pull these flaps out. Lay the model back down like this. Now we're going to bring this point down to here. Crease. And now we're going to fold this point up again, making a crease about here. It doesn't have to be exact. So now we're going to narrow the arms and fold the head at the same time. So we're going to pick up this upper edge and fold it up to the top. And at the same time, well, let's do a pre-crease here. Unfold that. And at the same time, I'm going to open this flap and allow this edge to go up fully. Because if we don't, we just get that pre-crease. So pull this open, put your index finger in there if it helps, and then push this flat. Now what we're going to do is, we have some three-dimensionality here. We're going to continue to push this paper into a crease, and in the opposite direction we're going to make sure that we have the shape of a head. That. What we don't want to do is we don't want to make a triangle, because then the head would just come to a point. And repeat on this side. Make a pre-crease here. Open it back up. Open this flap and use your index finger to smooth this out. So open, push this edge up, and use your left index finger to hold this part of the paper flat, and your right index finger to bring the rest of the paper flat and to crease. Easy. I'm going to fold the crease here, Bring this up to the center line like this. And repeat on the right side. Now we're going to fold another crease here. Fold the little foot back down. And repeat on this side. Flip the model over. We're starting to see our turtle. Now what we're going to do is we're going to shape the turtle a little bit. First thing is we're just going to take this little point and fold it under, just to give the shell a little more shape. Repeat on this side. And now we're going to take our fingers underneath with both hands and our thumbs on top. We're just going to give this model just a little bit of shaping and roundness to prime it for the next step. Now we're going to shape the arms a little bit. So grab the point of the arm with your thumb and index finger. You're going to hold the model in your left hand like this to encourage the shaping of the arm. So pinch with your right thumb and index finger and pinch into the shell. You'll see that line right there. So we're pinching a little bit into the shell. And then we're going to add just a little bit of curve to the arm, just like that. And then keep that shell body shape curving up toward you when the leg's curving away from you. And then we're going to repeat on the left side. So pinching with your left index finger and thumb, and then holding with your right hand. Go ahead and create that crease, pinching in farther in past where the shell line is. And then you're just going to encourage a little curve of the arm. And then reshape the shell to make it round. We're just going to fold the head back, give it a crease. And then we'll do the same thing with the legs. We're going to start at the point where the foot is and begin to pinch that point and pinch this time underneath the shell and make a small curve. Repeat on the left side. Begin at this point. Pinch. Create a curve. And round that shell again. And now we're going to fold a crease here and just off of it here, a little triangle. But we're going to flip the model over for this. So we're just going to reverse. So we're going to pinch at the tail, what would be the tail. It's going to be hiding though. Pinch the shell like this so that there's a crease. And then we're just going to lay it over itself a little bit. Now the shell may have inverted itself, so go ahead and make that right and then crease that one more time. And then the last thing we're going to do is flip it over again. You can see what we did there. Then we're just going to tuck this little, what you would call tail, underneath. And that will lock the shell in place. I can see that under there. And there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed folding the sea turtle. Stay tuned tomorrow for another exciting model. See you then!